Hey guys, it's Cedric Cnote Buard with Dream Media LLC, and I'm super excited today because we're going to show you guys a quick but useful tutorial on how to easily remove background noise in Studio One. So you ready? Roll 'em! Hey guys, it's Cedric Cnote Buard of Dream Media LLC, Head Media Maniac, and welcome back to another episode of Media Maniacs. And today we're going to learn how to reduce background noise in Studio One very easily. All right, you ready to get started? I know I am. Okay, so we have our Studio One session already open here. I am going to assume you guys know how to open and create a session, import or record some audio. We have all of that already preset here for this tutorial. I intentionally recorded this with a fan on in the background, and so let's listen to it just without any effects. Shake. Listen to the fan in the background. Okay, you guys hear that fan in the background there? Now, and you can also see signal there when there's no talking. And listen, signifying that there's signal there, and you can actually see some signal there now. All right. Studio One is so wonderful in so many different ways. Right out of the box, they have this plugin. It's a factory plugin. It's called the Channel Strip, and I have applied that here. You guys, hopefully you guys can see that there. This is their Channel Strip. But the way that a lot of people don't know this, and the way that you can eliminate a lot of background noise. Now, background noise is hard to remove if someone is speaking at the same time as the noise, is going on. But this Channel Strip does a beautiful job of masking that. Now, you may have a recording that has no music at a point, and there's no way to mask the background noise, and so this is where this Channel Strip comes in pretty handy. All right, so we have our Channel Strip here. What you need to do is go to the compressor area here. The percentage here I haven't found very useful, but the expander is what really cuts that off. So let's listen again without anything, and then I'm going to turn the expander up to 100% at slow. Okay? Check. Listen to the fan in the background. All right, and again, you see that signal there. Even when he's not speaking, there's still that signal there. So let's put our expander at 100%, and let's just make sure we're in the correct expander. We're going to put that in the 100% there, and then let's listen to it again. Shake. Notice it's working here. Listen to the fan in the background. Now, let's apply our Channel Strip. Incredible. I've also reduced a little bit of the high frequency there, just because that's where the background noise lives most of the time. But if you put this on 100%, you see it's working hard right now. It's not receiving any signal, so you don't hear anything from that thing. And when I play it in the spots where there's no speaking, then it's wonderfully working. Check. And reducing the background noise. Listen to the fan in the background. That right out of the box is incredible. I really love that feature of Studio One. I use it a lot, and I hope you guys have found value in this quick tutorial. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell there if you want to be notified whenever we drop new tools like this one. Until next time, this has been Cedric Cnote, Buard of Drink Media LLC, head media maniac and media maniacs. Until next time, keep creating and having fun.